Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we want to find the value of this expression, which is 8 minus 5, then times this parenthesis, and inside this parenthesis, we have 8 minus 5 again. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. 8 minus 5 equals to 3, and 8 minus 5 equals to 3 again. So 3 times 3, which equals to 9. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operation, which is PEMDAS, P stand for parentheses, E stand for exponents, M and D stand for multiplication and division, A and S stand for addition and subtraction. As we know, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. First, we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Here in this expression, we have this subtraction and these parentheses. According to PEMDAS, first we have to handle these parentheses. So 8 minus 5, then times this parenthesis. Inside these parentheses, we have 8 minus 5, which equals to just 3. Now we have this subtraction and this multiplication. According to PEMDAS, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction. So we have to do this multiplication first. 5 times 3 equals to 15. So 8 minus 15, and this is equals to -7. So our final answer to this problem is -7. Thanks for watching. Share with your friends.